Hi, here I am going to demonstrate how to add data into the website using the control panel. For that, first of all, you have to log into the control panel using the user ID and password. Then you will get a page like this. Here you can see the option for managing make, models, categories, forklift for sale, and change password and logout. For here, if you click on manage make, you will see two options, view makes and add make. View make option is for viewing the makes which is already we added in the website. And now we can go for adding a make. We can see how to add a make. So for that, first of all, click on add make. Then this will go to a page like this. So in this name field, you can enter the name of the make. For example, here I am just giving the name as Hister. Make name I have given Hister, and then you click on submit button. Then it will be added in the make list. See, here is the Hister which I added just now. So if you want to edit this make, you can go to this plus button and you can click on here, then it will display this page. Here you can edit the name, make name. So, and if you want to delete this any one of the makes, then you can go for, you can click on this cross button, red color cross button, then it will automatically get deleted. Okay, now we can click on manage models. So in that, two options are there, view models and add model. If you click on this add model, we have to enter a model name and as well as we have to select a make name. Here if you click on this select button, then it will, in this drop down list, it will display whatever the makes you have entered using the manage make, that add make option. See, here is a Hister what we have added right now. So I have selected Hister and model name I am putting as H30 for tens, H30 for tens, and after that I am clicking submit button. So while click the submit button, it will automatically add it into the models. Here you can see the model which we have added just now. Like in the make, we can also edit the model also here by clicking this plus button, and also we can delete the same model using this red cross button. So we can now check for managing categories. For this also there are two options, view categories and add categories. View categories will display already added categories. For now I am just demonstrating how to add a new category. For that you have to click on this add category button. So it will display a page like this. So here you have to put some category name here. I am just for the testing purpose, I am putting it as testing. Okay, I am putting testing here, and in the description field you can type the content here, or you can copy the content from a notepad and paste it here. And if you want to upload any images, you can browse it from here and you can select the images whichever you need. For now I'm selecting this image. Just click here, then you click on submit. So this testing category is added and that image is also added. So now we can check in the website. In this category, first of all you have to refresh the website for reflecting all these changes. Then if you go to category, you will see testing there. You click on the testing link, then it will display whatever we are added now. This is the image we have given in the control panel and the contents what we have given in the description, that will display here. And here this testing, this whatever name we have given, it will be showing there. You can given like whatever you like, feeler, Linde, or whatever access equipment you have, you can give it this in the name field. Now we will see how to manage this forklift for sale. For that we will see how to add a forklift for sale. For that, click on add forklift for sale. Then it will display a page like this. Here you have to enter the details: heading, make, model, year, capacity, fuel, must, description and images. Here I am giving a heading like feeler. Okay, I am giving feeler here, and the make I will select as Caterpillar, for example, or Hister I will select. I put Hister here, and model I select H30 410s. Based on the model, whatever based on the make, the model will be displayed here. If you select any other make, for example Caterpillar, then it will show its model. So now I am selecting Hister in the make and H30 410s in model. And next is year. For this you can select an year. For example, I am selecting 1996. Okay, 1996 I selected, and the capacity you can enter. For a testing purpose I am just giving 3000. And fuel, you can select the fuel option here. There are diesel, petrol, electric, LPG options are there. I am selecting diesel. And must, you have to enter the what most is using. So I am giving 4.5 meter 3-stage side shift, 3-stage side shifts. And in the description area, as we have seen the previous section, is description, you can either type here or you can simply copy paste from a notepad like this, copy and paste here. Then after that, if you want to add any images, you can browse it from there by clicking the browse button, and you can select the images that you need to shown in the website. For example, here I am giving this picture. It's opened, and if you want to display more photos in the website, you can do it by clicking on add more photos. Then it will display an area like this. Here you can browse for images, and you can select the images which you want to add in the website. Now here I am selecting this image and click open. Then it will be appear in the website. So after that you have to click submit button. While clicking the submit button, it will be get reflected in the website. Now we can check in the website. I'm clicking forklift for sale. In that you will see this is the third one, history. We just now added. This is displaying here, and all the information like make, model, year, capacity, fuel, must, whatever we have added in the control panel, it will be displayed here. And for more info, you click on more info, then you will see the images what we have given in the control panel and the product profile. It will display all the details what we are entered in the control panel. Also in the product description what we have entered in the control panel, in the description area it will be displayed here. Like this we can add any forklift for sale, and if you click on view forklift for sale, you can view all the forklift which you have entered through the control panel. And if you want to edit some of the forklift for sale, then you can click on this green color plus button. It will go to the page where you can edit. Here you can edit the images, or if you want to add more photos, you can add more photos by clicking this link. And if you want to delete any images, that you can click by this red cross mark. Then if you want to add any other description, that also you can add it. Likewise we can edit the forklift for sale. Also if we want to delete any forklift for sale which we already entered, then you can click on the red cross mark on the corresponding forklift, then it will be get deleted. After that you can go to the website and you can refresh your website for viewing the changes. So like this we can manage our website using this control panel. Thank you.